Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to download some free games using your Xbox Live Gold membership. So let's just go right into My Games and Apps. Under My Games and Apps, I want you guys to go all the way down to Memberships. Under Memberships, you guys will see the second option, Xbox Live Gold. So let's just click right there. Now remember, do this from your actual Xbox. That's how it works perfectly. You guys will not have problems. If you do it from your computer, might have problems, okay? So right now, free games, Outcast, then we have this guy, and then this guy. So I can tell you from the Xbox 360 game, which is compatible with Xbox One, some games are compatible with Xbox One, those will ask you to verify your payment information, okay? Although it's free. Then you got these other guys, where it says free with gold, and this one's installed, as you guys could see already, Outcast. So that means it's been out for a while now, so it might be over very soon. So download that one first if you guys haven't done so, and then let's just download this one for now, and then the Xbox 360 game, I'll show you guys that it will ask me to verify some PayPal information or credit card information. It just does that for some reason with those older games. However, this one that's for Xbox One, let's just click on it, it's not gonna ask me for that. So once we click on it, it should say free, okay? As you guys know, you guys have a couple days to download these games, and then you guys get another set of games to download. So let's just press on get. You do not have to press on buy to own, just press get. And it's not a trial, it's the full version of the game, and you guys get to keep it. So right now it's downloading, so we can see that. So I'm just gonna go to the next game so you guys can see that Xbox 360 game. So right here's the Xbox 360 game. I'm gonna click on see price in this case, and you guys should see free. As long as it says free, like right here, you guys are good to go. So it does tell you it's free. It's gonna work in your Xbox One, which is perfect. All right, so if you guys have an Xbox One S, Xbox One X, same deal. All right, however, like I mentioned, it's gonna ask me to verify some payment information, although it does say free right there. So I'm just gonna click on continue. So although it's free, like I said, it will ask me to verify that payment information. I just did. You can just click on done, and it's gonna start downloading. Okay, so let me just go. Right now, I shouldn't click on anything. It's just gonna download by itself. Right now it says pending. Don't worry about it. Let's just go back. I'm gonna pause the other game so we can see how big this game actually is. All right, so they're right here. I can see the two games. I'm gonna pause this one, although it's almost done. It's nothing. It's not even a gig. And I don't see any updates for it, so that's great. It's not gonna take up any space on your Xbox. And I'm gonna click on this one for now. I'm gonna put install now, so you guys can see how big that one actually is. The other one's almost done anyways, and this one's only 5 gigs. So again, I don't see any updates that come with it, so that means that's the total. It's only 5 gigs. Again, that's really small. The other one's even smaller, so it's not gonna take you any time. Now, it will take you some time if you guys have really slow internet. Sure, this could take you a couple hours. If you guys have fast internet, it could be a couple minutes. And well, yeah, it just depends on your internet speed. Not really on your Xbox speed. If it's getting full, your storage is almost done for. Sure, it could be slower. But other than that, you guys should be good to go. Like I mentioned, the other game that we didn't download, that's because it's been out for a while. These two are out right now, so they're out for a limited time. So you guys only have a couple days to download these, and then we're gonna have another batch of free games using your Xbox Live Gold membership. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.